Hwange District. We've been calling for stopping charcoal production. It's quite destructive to the economy of Zimbabwe. It's destroying the economy, the elephant corridors, and we've talked about it for over 3 years. It's unfortunate there hasn't been support on those lines, but it's destroying the tourism industry in Zimbabwe. So here, the normal mpani trees, it will take years, right? It will take up to 50 years to rebuild these mpani forests. It's a shame that we failed and we accept defeat. Sometimes we don't always win. Your message sometimes doesn't reach to the right people. But the tourism industry of Zimbabwe is based on the wildlife and the heritage that we have here. So it's going in our eyes. But we hope and we pray that daily, one day, maybe in our lifetime, there will be a total ban. So these charcoal, it's already destroyed. They are taken to bigger cities, Bulawayo, Harare, Gweru, Chegutu, Norton. They're enjoying the charcoal from here, but it has left a trail of destruction here. But what can you do? Nothing. Hopefully the elephants will not cause any more human and wildlife conflict because of us disturbing the ecosystem. By the way, my name is Taku. I'm far from Hwange, a rural district. We hope and pray that one day an answer will come. Take care. Bye.